Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to get Beanstalk in Grow a Garden. Sometimes players really want to get their hands on the Beanstalk seed in Grow a Garden. It's one of the rarest and most valuable seeds in the game. Here are a few ways you can get it. First, you can try using pet dogs. They sometimes dig up random seeds while playing, and if you're lucky, one of those might just be a beanstalk seed. Next, you can try harvesting beanstalk plants. There's a small chance that one of them will drop a seed while harvesting. But since it's a rare seed, it doesn't happen often. Another way is by using pet snails while harvesting. They increase your chances of getting beanstalk seeds, so it's worth having them around. You can also get it through the YouTuber role on Discord. If you have that role, admins can send you special seeds for your videos, which might include the beanstalk seed. And finally, the best method is to wait for the beanstalk seed to appear in the shop. It's extremely rare, with only a tiny chance of showing up, and it costs around 10 million shekels. You can even use an auto-clicker to grab it automatically if it becomes available. That's it. These are the main ways you can get the beanstalk seed and grow your garden even bigger. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.